Got him. There we go. Come on in here, bub. Let's get a picture of you. If you guys are looking for some fun way to catch gar, this is it right here. It's a rope lure. These things are one of the best ways to catch gar, and today I'm going to show you guys how fun they can be and how we can do it safely and ethically. Let's cut this one loose.
All right, I like where this is heading.
I guess got a big one straight out in front of me. One really fun aspect of doing this kind of fishing for gar is sight fishing. Let's see if he takes it. Oh my gosh, I brought it right over his nose and he didn't even give one flying flip about it. All right, let's try it again. He doesn't seem terribly spooked right now, although there he goes. Let's see if I can flip it out in front of him one more time. Nope, you don't care. You gotta take it? He is just sniffing it. Nah, I don't care about that, Mr. Human. That's the funny thing about doing this. Sometimes they're super interested in it, and other times they could not give two flying farts about it. He had this mouth. I jumped the gun.
What is this, amateur hour?
So one thing you guys want to do, and I absolutely did not just do that. If they bite it, don't immediately set the hook like you would any other fish. You actually got to give them a second to get that stuff tangled up in its mouth. Got him. Got him. Yes. Cast it right out in front of him. He was swimming away from me. And cast it right out in front of him and just kind of jerked the lure around like it was struggling bait fish and whatnot. Oh my goodness. Aren't we lively today? I don't blame you, buddy. I'd probably be lively too if I had something stuck in my mouth like that. Oh no, I got my net stuck on my kayak. Oh crap, there we go. I got it loose. There we go. Let's get you in here, buddy. Oh, nope, not quite enough. Yeah, gotcha. Hey, not bad at all.
Excellent! Yeah!
So the easiest way I found to get these guys unstuck is to get a stick or something and run it between their jaws so they can't close it. Gar have a really weak bite force, so that's why it's really hard for them to get this rope lure unstuck from their mouth. So it's gonna jack your rope lure up, but that's okay, nylon's pretty cheap. You just gotta tear that stuff out of there without, getting his teeth and whatnot. Don't wanna hurt the gar at all. Like that. Just start pulling them off. I have not once touched his tooth with the pair of pliers, so there we go. Boom. Let's cut him loose. All right, give you guys one last look at him before I cut him loose. All right, I think he's ready. Let's do it. He's got it in his mouth. Gotta go for it. Oh, he thumped it. It just didn't stick. I don't know how good that he had that in his mouth. I didn't really get a good look. I felt the thump. I saw him dart for it, but must not have had very much of that rope in his mouth. Oh, we got one right here in front of us. Let's see if he takes. Oh, yeah, you got it. Got him. Oh, that was awesome. Oh, man.
We were so close!
He had it in his mouth, and then he went to readjust, and some of that rope came out. And I don't know, maybe I set the hook a little too late on that one. I was waiting for him to shake his head. I really like it when they shake their head because that really gets them messed up. But that one didn't stick. That was a pretty fun little take though. That was awesome. So growing up, I learned that gar are a nuisance fish. They're trash fish. They're good for nothing. If we ever caught one on the river going for catfish, we would just leave it up on the bank to die. But since I've grown up a little bit and lived a little bit of life, I've actually come to love gar, and I'm curious what you guys think of gar. Got him. Got him. Oh, there are 3 of them right along the bank there. And the 2 of them are swimming off there. They were smarter than this little guy here. He just got lucky. Oh, yeah, I got him. He came out of nowhere. Oh, little guy. Hey, Bubby, let's get you in here. Yeah, gotcha.
Hey, that one's too small, huh?
Well, look how cute this little guy is. Let's let him go so he can grow. If you guys ever decide to do fishing like this, I highly recommend that you guys go, I would probably say 15-pound test line. Today, I'm going with 30-pound braid, and it's holding up really, really well. But the reason why I go with that heavy stuff is so that because the gar have really sharp teeth, their scales are also really sharp, that they're prone to cut the line. That fish is not going to be able to ever open its mouth again, and eventually it's going to starve and die. So that's why I go with really heavy lines, so they can't cut it.
Well, you know, that's just like your opinion, man.
If this is something you want to get into, I have a video showing you how you can make your own gar rope lures. Click this to check that out. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next one.